Here we have the hardware configuration for the phone, and the model number is E39. We have ARM V7 processor clocked at 1.3 GHz. It is an quad-core CPU, and we have MediaTek 6582 chipset, as you can see. As far as display resolution goes, it has 720x1280 display resolution, and we have Mali 400MP GPU. And when it comes to sensors, we have accelerometer sensor, proximity, light orientation, and magnetic field sensor as well on this phone. On Antutu benchmark, we have got a score of 17855, which is a pretty decent score for a device like this with this much of hardware. I would say in day-to-day usage and performance, this device is responsive enough, and I did not face any major issues on this device. I did notice slight amount of UI lag, and again that UI lag was when I was switching in between home screen and when I was opening a different application, but that was happening when I was running high definition games in the background. So if you put this phone for heavy processing, when you play high definition games or when you play high definition videos or do anything graphic intensive, then only it will show you slight amount of lag, but again that is not much. On Ninamark, we have got a score of 54.6 FPS, which is a pretty decent score, and this device can handle both the casual and high graphic intensive game quite effectively. We have installed these two games which we are going to play now to show you the overall performance of this device when it comes to gaming. On multi-touch, this device supports around 5-point multi-touch, as you can see. This is a casual game, and this is called Temple Run OZ. This game is running quite smoothly without any issues on this device till now. As you can see, the screen is responsive. The display is also good enough when you take a look at it from different angles. When you tilt the screen like this, I can see the display without any issues. However, there is slight amount of color fading which is happening, but the display is visible. Touchscreen is responsive, all the gaming controls are accessible, and there is no problem as far as graphics are concerned as well. Graphics are working pretty well. There is no lag which I can notice. The game is running smoothly on this device, and the gravity sensor is also working well. So now we are going to play Asphalt 8, and we are playing this game in high graphic mode, as you can see. And again, the overall game playback is pretty good till now. There is no issue. All the gaming controls are accessible, and I can play this game quite smoothly on this device. Till now there is no issue. Viewing angles are also good when I play this game, and when I tilt the screen I can see what is happening on the display, which is good. Loudspeaker is also fairly loud, but it is not the loudest which we have heard, I would say. The loudspeaker is loud enough, I would say, but not very loud. And I can play this game without much of an issue. As you can see, the only feedback which I would like to give for this device is going to be on the loudspeaker. The loudspeaker is definitely not very loud, which could have been louder and it could have given a better gaming experience, but still it is okay. Graphic wise, there is no lag. Even when I am running this game in high graphic mode, I can play this game quite smoothly without any kind of issues. As you can see, so you can play this game without any issues on this phone.